What is going on, everyone? Anthony, Drew, Gary, and Maren, Desiree here with me because Maren just turned 5 years old and it's been a while since we've read a book together. So we're going to do that today. We have Llama Time to Share, which is important in our household because we've got a little sister and sometimes it's hard to share. So can we read?
Yeah.
Good. Llama playing trains, driving trucks and flying planes. Someone's at the door. Who is it? Brand new neighbors come to visit. Llama, this is?
Dad, the book's on the pen.
That's okay that the book's on the pen.
Okay.
Llama, this is?
Nellie New.
Look, she has a...
Dolly too.
That's right, Nellie New has a dolly too. Mrs. New, would you like tea? Come and have a cup with me. You two kids can play in there. And Llama, don't forget to...
Share.
Trains and trucks and puzzles too. What's the new girl want to do? Play with kitchen, build with blocks. Llama opens up his box. Nellie starts to build a town. Llama starts to frown. Nellie New makes walls and stairs. Llama watches from a chair. Nellie stacks the blocks up high. Fuzzy Llama wants to try. It's a castle, make it tall. Fuzzy Llama jumps the wall. Build a tower, make a moat. Nellie's dolly rows a boat. What can Llama add? Maybe sharing's not so bad. Little baby New makes noise. Mrs. New gets jingly toys. Baby screams and kicks his feet. Mama thinks it's time to eat. Moms are talking, baby's chewing. Where's that new girl? What's she doing? Oh, disaster! Dolly drama! Nellie New has...
Fuzzy Llama.
Fuzzy Llama! He's not hers, this isn't fair. Llama doesn't like to share.
Dad, I couldn't see when you put the book up.
That's okay. We were showing the picture. And what happened here?
Fuzzy Llama broke its arm.
That's exactly what happened. Fuzzy Llama ripped in two, all because of Nellie New. It's a llama emergency. Mama, fix his arm for me. A bit of thread and good as new, but this is what we're going to do. I'll put Fuzzy on the stairs until you are sure that you can share. Nellie's sorry, Llama too. It's time for something else to do. Like to dress up? Not a lot. Maybe tractors, maybe not. Let's play kitchen, make a cake. Nellie mixes, Llama bakes. Look, our fancy cake is done. What would make this game more fun? Fuzzy Llama on the stairs. Llama thinks it's time to share. Playtime's over, it's the end, but Llama has a brand new... Nellie will be back and then Llama wants to share again. Thank you for reading with me.
You're welcome, Dad.
I love you.
I love you too.
Mwah. That's all for this week. Until next time, take care.